my entrepreneur friends. I just want to take a moment and just be really honest with you, because I have been an entrepreneur myself since 2004, and I specialize in working with small business owners. And I do get a lot of grief. I will say I get a lot of grief from other CPAs across the country in my mastermind group, because their focus is more, it's a little bit different than mine, and mine is definitely catering to small businesses, even though I know it's not a huge cash cow, but it's important. What you do is important to me. Helping the small business owner maximize their profits and manage their business, that's important to me, and it's something that I'm good at. And you have your special skills and gifts and blessings that you want to either bring to market or are bringing to market. And I just want to share with you that I have a lot of the same questions. Whether you are selling a service, whether you are creating a widget, whether you are in manufacturing, whatever, I get a lot of the same questions. So Chris and I thought that maybe we compiled a lot of these questions and decided to create a course, a 6-session self-paced course for the entrepreneur. So that in my perspective here, it may not answer every single question, but it's going to put borders on all of your questions. I have a lot of clients that tell me they just wake up in the middle of the night and go, I just didn't even think about that for 2 years and didn't even realize it. I know personally I would have that kind of panic when I was in school, and I would wake up halfway through the semester in the middle of the night and go, is there a class I signed up for I forgot to show up for? That is my goal, to help you with this 6-session course. So a brief outline of the 6. I have a sticky note right here because you know me and you know I have to have notes. The first course, and these are going to be released one at a time, one per week, so you have time to digest it. And so either in this order or not in this order, but I think the first one is understanding the different taxes, understanding federal tax, state tax, income tax, payroll tax, all those things, what they are, if they apply to you, and who you need to help you with these. The second class on keeping records, whether it's digitally, manually, how you keep your financial records. Third class on form and organization, S Corp, LLC, LLP, PLLC. And also in that course, I'm going to go over the difference between legal organization, tax organization, and go over an S Corp, what an S Corp is. I know a lot of you guys have questions about what it is and why it's helpful. The fourth, what expenses are deductible, how you determine that, and what IRS says for tax deductible expenses versus, and book to tax difference. You may have heard that term. What is the difference between a book to tax difference? What is that? The fifth, what the difference is between an employee, a general contractor, and an entrepreneur. I know some of you guys provide a service to only one business as an independent contractor, but are you really? And is that up to your, I don't want to call them an employer, because if you're a contractor, you're not an employee. But is that up to them, or is that an IRS decision? And number 6, estimating your income tax liability, federal, state, how that happens. So that's the outline of the 6 classes in the 6 weeks course. The sessions will be about 20 minutes apiece, and I'm really excited to share this with you guys, so that at least, like I said, you can have edges on the pieces of edges on your puzzle. So you might not know everything, but you'll know what you don't know. So I'm really eager to share that with you guys. Take care.